In this video, you are going to be learning how to change your name on NIN using your phone. What you need is just a phone and a good internet, and you're good to change your name on NIN. And I'm going to be showing you the process of which I used to change my everything step by step, because I have changed my name, and I'll be showing you how I changed my name from A to Z. You're going to be seeing it. There are some challenges I faced while changing my name. That is why you have to watch the video to the end. Don't watch to some parts and skip and say, oh, I've learned it, let me go ahead and implement. No, watch to the end, because there are some hurdles I faced, and some of them are just in between the video and even at the end of the video while I was applying for my name change, and I will be showing you how I was able to tackle those stuff. So just watch video to the end, and we are going to be learning these things. So you'll be seeing my screen right away. So the first thing is for you to go to your browser and type on self-service modification. When you type on self-service modification, you are going to be seeing it. Just click on the second one you see there, self-service modification. That is national identity management. When you click on that particular link, it takes you to the next page. This is where you log in. If you don't have an account, then just go ahead and register. You're going to be putting your NIN number, and they'll be sending you a verification code to confirm you are the one, and you're going to be logging in. You can put it once and they will say it's not correct, because that's how mine was, yes. So, and I put it up to like 2 times, and it's I was not able to log in. So when you are done with that, the next step now is actually to verify your face. It says verification login successful. Proceed to validate your face. Please ensure that you are using a plain background. So they're giving you a script that they're actually showing you how you should do it. The guidelines. Please camera at eye level. Face should be centered. Face should be lit evenly. Keep a neutral gesture. So this is how your face should be when you're actually verifying your face. So when you are done, just click on next, and if you take it to the next place. So when you get to the next place, you are going to be they're actually asking you now, allow media capture your, like, you have to give your phone access to be able to capture your face. So when you get there, just click on allow. It takes you to the next place. Allow Opera Mini, because I was using allow Opera Beta to take pictures and videos of yourself. You just click on while using this app, or you can say only this time, but you have to allow it to take pictures and videos of yourself. They just go ahead, and so they're showing you, do you want to use your front camera or your back camera? We have select the device you want to use on this website. Is it automatic? Is it front camera, back camera? Me, I went with front camera. So at this point, you have to choose the camera that actually works for you. If your front camera it's not clear, you can opt with your back camera to do this. So when you are done with that, you have to put your face in the box, like you can see on in this video. You put your face in the box, and at this point you have to put your face, let it be stable. You see, they gave me an error message. This is the number 1 error I received from this site. They said detection fade, face lighting is uneven, try again. Uneven means that your face is not showing well. When you look at it very well, you see that my face is not showing very well. And actually, I did this face verification up to like 5 times. It did not work out until I have to remove my wig. I was wearing wig. So when you are doing make sure that your face is showing fully. Don't allow any hair to cover your face. If you're a lady, don't wear glasses. No, you don't need to wear glasses to do this. You just have to allow your face to show clearly. And when I did it, it actually worked, because I removed my face. Sorry, I removed my wig, and it worked out, and then we got to the next place. So when we got here, they said, note that all of modifications require support document. Make sure to have them ready for upload. Please ensure that you have done your birth attestation registration on the NPC website before commencing your date of birth modification on NIMC. So this one is for those that are yet to change their date of birth, but this video is about name change only, so that one does not actually concern you. So adult modification, it's already there. It means that it's only somebody with an adult that can actually use this website to change their name. That's what is there already. So you go back, you go to the next place, and they are showing you the different prices. Change of name is 2013 naira as at the time of doing this recording. So I don't know if the price will change in the future, most likely it's going to change in the future, most likely. So maybe when you are doing yours, you may discover that there's a change in price. But at this time, it's just 2013 naira. Change of address will cost 2013 naira. Change of phone number will cost 2013 naira, and we have also have change of date of birth will cost 29 naira 61 kobo. So when you are done, you just click on what you are going for, which is change of name. That's what I clicked on here, and I click on continue. So at this point, they gave us a lot of instruction, 8 different instructions. Make sure you read it to the end. These are instructions that you should be able to agree with. If you agree with, you have to click on this button that said I have read and understood the instructions above, and you click on continue. There are so many instructions here that they have given to you. So when you are done, you click on continue and you go to the next place. This is the place you actually attest. Like they say, change of name can be done multiple times in a lifetime using the self-service website. After triggering name modification on the self-service platform, any further change of name request must be completed at an NIMC enrollment center. So what this means that you can only do change of name with this website twice. Anything above 3 times, you have to go to their office, that is NIMC office, to be able to process this. So when you get here, just click on I understand. You understand what you have read, and you go to the next place. So at this point, you are going to be going for new payment. We have resume payment at the top. That is for those, maybe you already started the process of making payments and you are not done yet, and maybe you log off the website. That is when you click on resume payment. But if it's your first time entering the website, just click on new payments. When you click on new payment, you go to the next place and it takes you here. You're going to be clicking on online payment. Although we have offline payment here, but the best method to verify all this stuff is online payment. So click on online payment and takes you here. It's the payment gateway is loading. Please wait for some time. And when you are done with this, it takes you here. You're going to be using your cards. That is your card. You make sure that your card is a MasterCard, and you can use to pay for things online. You can use to pay to make online payments. So when you are done with this part, just go to the next place. At this point, you'll be putting your card number. That is the number in your ATM card, the expiring date of your ATM card, and also the CVV number at the back of your ATM card. It's just 3 digits. Make sure that you put all these things and they are actually accurate. So put all these things, then you now click on pay 2,202 naira 16 kobo. So they are actually extra charges, because when we check earlier, it was 2013 naira. So they have, and this I believe this money is for the online platform I used to make payments. That's the extra 117 naira 16 kobo on top. So just click on pay. As you click on pay, it takes you here. They are going to be sending you an OTP to your account number. Yes, sorry, to your phone number that is connected to your bank, or your email address. They will send you an OTP. Just dial the OTP here and click on pay. So when you are done, you see that they said National Identity Management Commission and MAT payable 202 naira 16 kobo. Payment successful. Your transaction reference number is this. Please, this reference number, make sure you save it, because you're going to be needing it. Just make sure that the reference number is actually saved and kept somewhere. So when you are done with this aspect, go to the next page. They're telling you change of name and upload required documents. Kindly note that change of name can be done 3 times on the self-service application. Then I believe I've said that before, so that they're just reminding you again. So at this point, you put in your first name, put in your last name and surname. So for those that don't have middle name, because there's an option for middle name. I don't have a middle name officially. Yes, I don't have a middle name officially, and this is how I did, because this middle name aspect actually stressed me, and I'm going to be telling you how I did it. If you don't have a middle name, what you do under the middle name, just type out something, save it, and go back again, edit it, and remove it, and remove what you have typed and save again. I believe you understand what I'm saying. If you don't have a middle name, because if you don't do it that way, you will not be able to move forward. You will not be able to pass this place. So what you do, type out something under the middle name, anything at all, type it out under the middle name. After typing, just click on save. After saving, edit it again and remove it and save it again. So that space will not be empty. So reason for change, asking you what is the reason What reason are you giving to change your name? We have marriage, we have name correction, we have name rearrangement. For instance, if your name is not properly arranged, like now my name is Enwanye Osereme Eko, and maybe I want to rearrange my name to maybe the arrangement is supposed to be Eko Enwanye Osereme. Hope you get. You have to come back and use this name rearrangement. If your name is not written the way it's supposed to be written, go for name rearrangement. But if it's name correction, you have to correct something in your name. Maybe there's a spelling that has issues. That is what you go for. Go for name correction. But if you are changing your name entirely, like for marriage, you have gotten married as a woman and you want to change your name, that is where you are going to be clicking on. That is for marriage. So just click on marriage and take to the next place where we are going to be uploading your document. You upload your marriage certificate, upload your newspaper extracts. Those that are married that did name change. Before you even come to do NIN name change, you should be able to know that you have done your name change on newspaper and also on in high court. You have done every stuff. You have done those parts because you will need those documents here. So when you are done uploading these documents, just go to the next place and they are telling you modification records. There you are seeing your old record and your new record. They're just trying to tell you that okay, this is your old record and this is your new record that you have currently. So when you are done, click on continue and it takes you here. This is attestation where you're going to attest. I confirm that I'm fully aware that the above data shall be used for securing national identification number. Just to read this whole stuff that you attest to this stuff. And when you then click on I hereby agree to the statement above and click on submit. Okay, we are not done yet. In fact, we just got started. So just click on submit. And so they're telling us that unable to verify documents, marriage certificate, please try again later. That means the marriage certificate was unable to verify. At this point, I have to go back again to the beginning again because my marriage certificate was not accepted. So I went back again. I went to click on name correction. You are seeing it. Instead of using marriage, I went to click on name correction. And that is how I was able to I uploaded my affidavit because I did a name change in high court and I uploaded my affidavit. And after I did my affidavit, that was how I was now able to finally change my name on NIN. So I went back again, uploaded the whole document from start, just the way I showed you. I went back, I uploaded my affidavit, and in fact, the only thing they asked me for was affidavit. That's the only thing they asked for when I click on name correction. It was approved. It was approved, and I click on confirm, and I did my attestation, and that was it. I was able to verify my name, and I got to this page. They wrote modification request successfully submitted. A notification will be sent once your modification request has been approved, and you click on done. So that is how to do it on the website. Just take it slowly again. You can go back to the video again, watch it again from the beginning. If there's anything that you don't understand, ask me in the comment section and I will be there to give you guidance. So for instance, if you are that person that you have tried to log in before on your device and you came back to log in again, they're telling you that this device is not connected to your NIN, because I experienced that too. What you should do is to send an email to NIM, their customer service email. I'll be copying it in the comment section. Just send an email to their customer service and they're going to be attending to you. So just give yourself some days after doing this, and you can still go ahead and print out your NIN plastic card. If you want, I can actually do a video on how to print out your NIN plastic card. Just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to be creating a video on that. So if this video has blessed you, I know it has blessed you, so do well to subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to your friends and let them know that this you can actually change your name using your phone. So I did a video on how to change your name on your BVN, even on newspaper, everything. I did that video. Just check my channel. I'll be putting some of the links here so that you can just go ahead and watch this video. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.